I'm today's host, Claire. Our live show will begin now. Firstly, it is my great honor to be here to introduce our machine to you. Please allow me to introduce our company, Perfect Laser. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of industry laser equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 28 years history in this field. Our main products include laser marking machine, laser engraving machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine. We have more than 20 types, over 300 products. Other machine we have got CE, ISO rails, and certified by well-known international inspection institutions such as TÜV and SGS. We have got 33 national patents. The core technical achievement can reach the international level. As a result, our products have been exported to more than 118 countries such as USA, England, Japan, Korea, and so many other countries and regions. We enjoy a good reputation among all the customers in the whole world. We have a talented team. 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree. We can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales services to the customers worldwide. Our goal is very simple, just provide high quality product to our clients and good after sales services to our customers. Today we will introduce different kind of laser marking machine, fiber laser marking machine. In this live show, I will tell you how to choose our machine, and you can give me your inquiry, and we will help you to find the right machine. Okay. In this live show, you will get some discounts. Okay, if you order over $7,000, you can get discount $100. If you over $3,000, you can get discount $15. So if you like our machine, you can take this time. You can take this chance. Okay. For another profit is that generally you can get 1 year warranty, 12 months. But in this live show, you can get 24 months warranty. It's very, I think this is a good choice, yes. And you can get 1 more year warranty. Okay. I can show you our certificates. You see, we have many certificates. CE Rail certificate and some other certificate. All of these certificates we got from some international inspection institutions. So you can trust us, and we can provide you the good product. Okay. Okay. Our live show begins now. Firstly, I will show you our company. Okay, you can watch this video. This is our company. Okay, you can see there's so many certificates on the wall, and they are our colleagues. We have a sales team. Yes, you see, all of them are our sales team. This is our fiber laser cutting machine, and they are our technicians. They are busy with their work. Yes, they are installing the machine. Okay, you see, this is a workshop. There are so many fiber laser marking machines, and these are also our machines, CO2 laser cutting and engraving machine. Okay, there are our fiber laser marking machine, PDB 400A or 400C. You see, this is our fiber laser marking machine, testing the sample. This is a fiber laser cutting machine. This machine is so excellent. It cut and engrave metal material. Okay. This is our sales team. Okay. Now you can see fiber laser marking machine. We have a model promoted. This is our PEDB 400B. It is also a top sales machine. Okay, now this machine is on promotion. For 20 watts, the price is only $1,313. For 30 watts, it's only $1,419. For 15 watts, it is only $2,219. So, if you are interested in our machine, you can take this time. Okay, this is a complaint. It is showing in the video. You see, our company name Perfect Laser in Chinese 张信激光. I usually show this video to our clients. I know you are all of the I know for the international training, we can show you our company. Maybe you can trust us. Yes. Okay. This is a building for our company. It is very high building. Okay. As I showing just now, you can get a longer time about the warranty in this live show if you can purchase our machine. Okay, this is a discount you can get in this live show. Okay, now let's move on to our laser marking machine, the first model, PEDB 400B. It is also our top selling model. Yeah, because of this good selling, our technician just focus on the technology of this machine. Now we can achieve mass production. As a result, we can provide our clients with a good price. So this machine is promoted. For 20 watts, this machine is only $1,313. It is very reasonable, yes, and it is very affordable. So if you have products like this machine, you can think about this machine. Okay, let's move on the configuration of this machine. Okay, firstly, you can watch how it works for this machine. You see our technician is operating this machine. This machine can also mark on rotary material. I can show it later. Okay, like showing the video, you can see our fiber laser marking machine PD 400B can mark on cylinder material. For those cylinder material, you need a rotary device, and this machine can help you to mark on the cylinder material. You see, this is a big one, and this is also a small one. This is a pipe, yeah. Okay, for this cylinder material, it is metal, yeah. For our fiber laser marking machine, it can mark on metal materials all all of the metal materials like stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, zinc, copper, and so forth. You see, this is stainless steel. You see, our fabricator marking machine mark a beautiful butterfly. It is very beautiful, yes. Okay. If you want to mark picture like this, numbers, date, and something like that, you can choose our machine. Okay. For metal material, we can also apart from metal material, our fabricator marking machine can also mark on some hard plastic. You see, this is PVC material. Fabricator marking machine can also mark on PVC material. You see, this is our PEDB 400 marked. Okay, it is a switch. Yes, for some switches you need to mark some information. You can choose our machine. Okay. This is also stainless steel. It is also a beautiful picture. This is our Chinese traditional figure. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yes. Okay, this is stainless steel. And for some clients, they are focusing on farm industry. Maybe they need some ear tag to keep record of the information for the animals. Okay, you can choose our machine as well. You see, for this ear tag, you may mark on some numbers or some pictures, something like that. Okay, our PEDB 400B can mark this material. Okay, you see, this also ear tag. Yeah, plastic material. You see, okay. You can also mark a ear tag for your pets. Yeah, to keep record of this animal in case of losing this animal, losing your pets. Yes. Yes. These are also ear tag. Yeah. For two-dimensional code. Yes. Okay. You can see all of these samples are tested by our PEDB 400B. Okay. For all of these samples, you can see our 400B is very functional. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on the configuration of this machine. Okay. These are all the samples. Okay. For the configuration, you see, for this machine, or for fabricator marking machine, the most important part is the fabricator source. For our company, we use different kinds of fabricator source like Max, GPT, IPG, Rakers. You can choose different fabricator source according to your requirements. Yes. For example, some of our clients want to mark colorful signs. They can choose our GPT Mopass laser source. Yes. Our fabricator marking machine use a Germany made fabricator source. It is a wide selectivity of operating wavelengths, ultra low empty noise, high stability, and ultra long lifetime. So, for this important part, you can trust our machine. It is very good quality. Yeah. For the second part is also very important. It is our scanning head. Our fabricator marking machine uses digital galvanometer laser scanning head. Has a fast responsibility. It can also realize high speed marking and high precision. Okay. The most important part for our fabricator marking is also EasyCard control system. Our our control system is EasyCard control system. This control system can realize stable performance and high reliability. More than 10,000 sets of equipment are using EasyCard control card shield, utilizing part of complex function, ensure high stability. Yeah. For the next important part is red light pointer. Maybe some of you know that for fibrillator marking machine, the important part is fibrillator, but fibrillator is the fibrillator beam, but fibrillator beam is not visible. So so in order to find the laser beam, the red line pointer is very important. With this red line pointer, you can find the beam. Then it can find the position to start marking your machine. Okay. Okay. The next important part is the lifting handle. Maybe you can see articulation, just twist the lifting handle in the movie. Yes, this part is also important. It can help you to find the position of the beam. If actually there are two red line pointer in our machine, when the 2-point red pointer just mixed together, it shows that you can start marking. But how it can mix together, then the lift handle can help you. You can twist the lifting handle, then the red light pointer can go closer and closer. Then the beam just mix together. It shows that you can start marking. Yeah. For the lights lifting handle, you can adjust the distance between the marking head and the object. Makes the marking more easily. Yeah. The standard distance of elevating is 400 millimeter, but it can also be customized. If you want higher column, you can tell our salesman. Then our salesman will discuss with our technician and customize the column for you. Maybe you can customize your column to reach 600 millimeter or 800 millimeters. It depends on requirement. Besides, our machine has a ruler scale. It can help users to adjust position of the head of marking of different marking objects. Okay, this is also very good part of our machine. The last part is the portable handle. With this portable handle, you can take this machine more easily. Yeah, I think some clients choose this model as it is very small. It can put on different places. Yes, it is true. If you have some materials to be marked far away or not in your workshop, you can use this portable handle and take this machine just to the places that you want to mark your products. Yes. Also, you can borrow this fibrillator marking machine to your friends. When he or she like this machine, then she or he can use this portable handle to take this. Okay. The next part is also important for our machine. Our machine adopt the new version of laser marking software. With more than 10 years development, it can contain deep technical characteristics. Okay. Actually, this software is very easy to operate. Before, I just take a video about how to operate this software to our clients. Besides, we also have a training video to show you how to operate this software. As my clients is not very clear about how to operate it, I asked my technician to take a video again and send it to her. I just speak in English in this video, slowly, and operate this software by myself. So it is more trustworthy for my clients. Yeah. Okay, let's move on the main features of this machine. You see, there are some samples for our machine. From the ruler, you can see that our machine can guarantee good marking results. The ruler from the ruler, see the lines is very clear, vivid, and the numbers are also very vivid. Yeah. This machine can meet user requirements of various elaborate patterns in tiny surface. Yeah. So if you want to mark on some stainless steel with elaborate pattern, you can think about our fiber laser marking machine. Okay. And this machine can also have a very high speed. When using machine, you can find that maybe you can finish marking your product just with several seconds. Yeah, it's very fast. Okay. There's also very important part is the scanning head. A scanning head can realize high rate of optical conversion. Okay. As I told you just now, this model is integrated structure. It can put on your workshop just a very small place, as this machine is very compact and small. So you just find a small place to put this machine and start marking. Okay. Okay, let's move on the main advantages of this machine. This machine has no wearing part. So after you receive this machine, you can use it for a very long time without any consumables. So you don't worry about future costs of this machine. Free of maintenance, very good choice for you, I see. This machine is also very easy operating. As I told you just now, we have training video to send you. Yes, after you receive this machine, you will send you training video. In this way, you can use this machine directly. Yeah. After watching this video, 99% of our clients can learn how to use this machine after they watch the training video. But if you still have problems after watching the training video, it doesn't matter. You can talk with our salesman, and salesman will help you how to operate this machine. Okay. Besides, our technicians are just downstairs, as we are in the same building. Our technicians are just downstairs in the workshop. If you have some problem, you can send messages to our salesman. Then our salesman will tell our technician to help you. Actually, most of our salesmen are very professional. After they see your messages and know your problems, they can deal with the problems directly. without talking with our technician. But for some complicated problems, they may talk with our technicians and give you feedback afterwards. Yes. Maybe some clients worry about sending messages as they cannot deal with the problems directly. It doesn't matter. We can have a video call. Our salesman can ask our technician to stand by. Then you can show your problems in this video call, and our technician can deal with your problems immediately. Yes, it is also a very good way for the international transaction. Yes. Okay. For the next advantage is a high speed. Yes. With imported laser scanning system, this machine has a higher speed of marking. It can reach 7,000 millimeters per second. It's super fast. Yeah. Before, one of our clients is worried about the products being marked. He has 1,500 products to be marked in a day. Actually, it is very easy for our machine to realize this object. Yes. As I told you, maybe for some information, machine can mark it with several seconds. Okay, so if you have many logos, pictures to be marked, so the speed is not very fast. We can count this for you. If you have many products remarked, you can give us your numbers of products remarked, and our technician salesman can help you to count. That time my client have 1,500 products to be marked within a day. We just count for him 1 minute with our machine can mark 6 products. So for an hour, our machine can mark 6 products by 60 minutes. Equals 316 products. So for his 1,500 products, our machine can realize this with less than 5 hours. Yes, it's very fast. Yeah. Our machine can also have 10 years lifetime without any warranty, without any consumables. So when you receive or after you receive this machine, you don't have any feature cost, and this machine can be used for over 8 or 10 years. Yes. Okay. This machine is also very very energy saving, as this machine have a higher optical electrical converting efficiency. So you don't worry about some electricity in using. Yeah. This machine is also air cooling. So when you use this machine, you just put it standby without any water chiller, as it is air cooling. Yeah. This machine is very integrated and compact, as this machine has small size, only 0.5 square meters, so it can be put on decks and it's very easy to install. Yeah, small and compact. Okay, you can look at the daily maintenance for this machine. The daily week-year maintenance. These are also precautions for after sales maintenance. Yes. Daily maintenance, just clean the work table every day. Yeah. This is a technical material. Maybe some dust can go inside this machine. If you don't clean this machine, don't clean the table, for a long time, there will be moisture in the machine. I think it's very harmful. Yeah. So you just clean the table every day. You can also clean all the mirrors by alcohol every day. Ensure there's no dust on the surfaces. Yeah. For weak maintenance, you just follow the same operation step for the maintenance. Every month you can check and tighten all the wire every week. For year maintenance, check the components in the machine. Make sure all the components are in good working condition. Okay. Besides, you can also ask our salesman for help when you find some problem for your machine. Okay. Okay, we can look at the comparison with our machine and some between our machine and other ordinary fiber laser marking machine. Yeah. You see, for our machine. Oh, okay. I see some client list some information. Okay, different now. Now I'm on live show. When I finish our live show, I will look at the messages and send you some reply. Okay. Okay, let's move on to next model, our P100 400D. From the appearance between PD 400D and P100 400B, you may have some understanding of these two models. For our PD 400D, this model is a full floor stand model. It is also a running machine, as this is a computer. We install all of these softwares in this computer. So when you receive this machine, you can use this machine directly. Besides, we also have an industrial computer in this machine, just in the cloud. Yeah. Maybe this machine is bigger than PDB 400B, as this is a floor stand model. When you receive this machine, you can just put this machine to your workshop and start working on the table of this machine. Yeah. But for our P100 400B, that model is smaller and compact, so without a computer. But we will send you USB, and all of this software will be sending you. So when you receive that machine, you should install the software in your computer and start working by operating your computer. Yes. Okay. Okay, please look at the working video of our PD 400D. This is keyboard, handheld, lifting handle. Our technician is marking the yellow crane tower. This is traditional building in Wuhan. cylinder. Ear tap, yeah. This machine is, can also mark ear tap. Maybe from this video you can know that for fiber laser marking machine PDV400D, it can mark thin materials with 400B. Yes, it is true. They can mark same material. The only difference is their appearance. Yeah, and for our 400D, it's a ready machine. You can use it directly when you receive the machine. But for our 400B, it is smaller. You need to install the software on your own computer. Then you can start to mark your products. Okay. You can see the configuration of our 400D. 400 has lifting handle, laser marking head, ruler, computer, a switch is industrial computer, working table, yeah. Okay, let me introduce this machine to you. The fiber laser saw surfaces life can reach 100,000 hours, namely 8 to 10 years without any consumables and maintenance. So when you receive our 400D, you can use this machine for a very long time without any future concern about this machine. This fiber laser marking machine with PC, so it is an ideal choice for customers who have special requirements for small and fine laser beam and capture. You can use this machine directly when you receive this machine. Yes. All the softwares have already been installed, and the parameters are settled before delivery. Once received, it can work directly without data adjustment. It's very confident. Yes. Okay. Let's look at the product details about this machine. You can see for our 400D, there is a 3D working table. This working table is more easier for you to adjust the distance between product and the beam. This 3D working table is made up by precision alloy and imported precision beam device. With a very good quality. The second part is also very important for fiber laser marking machine. It is our laser source. As I mentioned before, our fiber laser marking machines use different kinds of laser source like MAX, IPG, JPT, breakers, and so forth. You can choose the laser source according to your requirements. Okay, for the next part is the vacuum absorption workbench. This workbench is very safe and beautiful. Our machine also have switch power supply. Okay, for this machine we use universal wheel. It can realize flexible mobile machine in all directions. With this universal wheel, it can move to different places. It's very convenient. Yeah. This machine also have a fast-speed digital galvanometer scanning head. With this scanning head, our machine can realize high speed and high precision. The next important part is our making switch. You see there's so many switches. The big red switch is stop emergency stop switch. When you meet some emergency with some problems, you can press this button. Then our machine can stop immediately in case of some feature dangerous. Yes, it's very. I think this switch is very important. Yeah. The next one is the key switch. Yeah. We will show you the switches for different uses when you receive the machine, and we will have the documents to show you the difference among them. This model is ready model. You see, with this computer, with this software installed on this computer, you can use this directly. Yeah. Our machine has professional marking software. It has powerful editing function, friendly interface, easy to use. It can also support Windows XP, Windows 7 system. Okay, it also supports different formats. Okay. Okay, please look at the fiber laser head of our machine. This fiber laser marking head improve the processing quality. Okay, this machine also has lifting handle. You can use this lift handle to position the distance between laser beam and product. It can help you to find the right position to start marking. As I told you, this machine includes this industrial PC. We also have PC display holding fixture. So this computer can change its angle. You can find the right angle for you to start marking. Yeah. The last important part is our exhaust fan. Our machine adopt the heat generated by the air cooling system. Discharge machine work. Okay, please look at the advantages of a machine. This machine has low cost while you use it. Yes. Because this machine has low consumables. After you receive this machine, you can use it for a long time without any future worries about the costs. It is also very easy to operate. We have a training video to send you. After you receive this machine, you can watch the video about how to operate the machine. 99% of our clients know how to operate this machine after they watch the training video. However, if you still have some problems, don't worry. You can tell our salesman. Our salesman will tell you how to operate this machine. Besides, our salesmen, most of salesmen are very professional. They can deal with a problem directly. When they receive your messages, They can deal with your problems and send you feedback immediately. But if some problems are very complicated, don't worry. Our technicians are just downstairs. Our salesman will go and ask our technicians for help and give you reply. Besides, we can also have video call to deal with your problems. Yes. If your problems are very difficult and it is not easy to give you reply while sending messages, our salesman will invite you to have a video call, and our salesman will also invite our technicians just stand by. In this way, we can give you reply immediately in this video call. Yeah, it's very convenient. For the next part is also very important is the high speed of our machine. Yes, I think this advantages is very important for our clients. I still want to work their products in a short time. Yes, so with a higher speed, it can finish working your product just with several seconds. Yeah. This machine can be used over 10 years without any consumables. So after you receive this machine, you can just learn how to use it and start working. Yeah, without any consumables over 10 years. Yeah. This machine also have higher precision. For precision is only 0.002 millimeters. This machine is also air cooling. Although air cooling has excellent cooling effect than the other cooling method. So this machine is air cooling. You can use this machine directly and without any worry about future course about how to cool this machine. Yeah. For other big machine like our fibrillator cutting machine, it leaves water chiller. But for this machine, no air cooling is enough. Okay, let's move on to next model, our PDB 400H. You can see this model is very similar to our PDB 400B. Yes, it's true. But this model is more functional, and it's the portable handheld model. You can take our marking head you can dismantle our marking head and mark on some big and heavy material. So if you have some big and metal material, this model is very important for you. Like some big pipes, big glass, something like that. This model can help you. Okay, please look at the working video of our machine. You see, this marking head can be dismantled and marked on some big or heavy material. Our technician just take this handle down and mark on metal material. Okay, you see, maybe some big heavy plate. If you want to mark on big heavy plate, you can choose this model. Yeah. Okay. Please look at the main features of this model. This model is very easy to operate. It is a desktop and portable dual using model. You can not only mark on desktop but also mark at any place by hand. Yes. This model is more functional. You can mark it in table. You can also mark on some big and heavy material. Yeah. This machine can also guarantee good marking results. This machine can meet user requirements of the various elaborate designs in time service. This machine also has high rate of electrical optical conversion. You can see the samples are machine marked. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the advantages of our machine. Just like our 400B and 400D, this machine also has low cost in use. After you receive this machine, you don't worry about future costs, as this machine has no consumables. Besides, this machine can also has a longer lifetime. It can be used for over 100,000 years, namely 8 to 10 years, without any future costs. So, what you should learn is about how to use this machine. After you receive the machine, you can watch the training video about how to use this machine. And if you miss some problems, encounter some problems, you can send messages to our salesman, and our salesman will help you to deal with these problems. As I told you, most of our salesmen are very professional. They can deal with the problems directly after they see your problems. But if some problems are so complicated, don't worry. Our technicians are just downstairs, and our salesmen will ask our technicians for help, and they will deal with the problems. Okay. This machine has high precision. The reprecision operation is only 0.002 millimeters. It's quite small. Yeah. This machine is also energy saving. The efficiency of optic electrical converting is up to 17%, so it's so energy saving. And this machine also air cooling, so it's very good way for maintenance and good way to save your costs. Yeah. This machine is also integrated and compact. With small size, this machine weighs only 0.5 square meters. It can be put on desk and very easy to install. Okay, please look at the market samples of the machine. You see, the market samples are so vivid. Yes. This machine can mark on metal materials, as I told you before. Yeah. Okay. Please look at the laser source, fiber laser source. Yeah. Our machine can use many laser sources like Max, CPT, IPG, Rakers, and so forth. You can tell our salesman your requirements, and our salesmen will help you to make the right choice among those laser source supply. Yeah. Our machine uses digital galvanometer laser scanning head. With this scanning head, it can realize high-speed marking and high precision. Okay. Our machine uses Singapore well-known wavelength brand with this focus mirror. It can have a high speed and high transparency rate. For the last part is also very important. It is a control system. Our machine uses easy CAD control system. With this system, our machine can have stable performance and high reliability. More than 10,000 sets of equipment are using easy CAD control CAD. Okay, you can also look at the red light pointer. As I told you before, for fiber laser source, the laser beam is invisible, but our machine has red light pointer, two red light pointer. In this way, it can help you look at the beam very easily. Our machine also, our 400H also has 3D working table. With this working table, it can be lifted and shifted from left to right very easily. It's also very easy to adjust the laser focus distance. Yes. Okay. Our machine adopts Taiwan brand. Taiwan brand power supply. With this laser power supply, it has a long lifespan. 400H has portable handle. With this portable handle, it can be easily to be held and taken to different places by your hand. Okay, you can see the switches of our machine. This machine also has an emergency stop. Yes, it's very important. If your machine meets or encounters some problems, you can press this red big button, this emergency stop. Press it when meters miss error. The machine will stop working immediately to avoid losses. It also has key switches. Using these key switches to control the power of the machine. The next one is the red button. This red button is our main switch. It is designed as an easy button, safe and efficient. Okay, you can see the software of our machine. It is also the same software as I show you for 400B or 400D. Yes, for all of our fiber laser marking machine, we use the same software. It is also our self-designed software. This software has more than 10 years development, so it's very advanced now and very easy to operate. Okay, next model is a more compact and smaller model. It is our PDB 108. You see, this model is very close. It's also very similar to 400B. Yes, they're very similar to each other. But for this model, this 108 is more compact and smaller. So if you want a lighter and smaller model, you can think about this model. Okay, you can look at the configuration of our 108. Focusness emerging style button, lifting handle, workbench, You can also look at the samples tested by our 108. This machine is suitable for all kinds of metal materials such as stainless steel, iron, copper, aluminum, etc. Sorry. All of the metal materials, as well as some non-metal materials like PVC, ABS, PVC, plus ABS, and so forth, some hard material. This machine is widely used in 3C, auto parts, electronic components, integrated circuits, electrical appliances, building materials, clocks, and watches, jewelry, craft gifts, and many other industries. Okay, you can look at the samples tested by our 108. All of the samples are very beautiful, yeah, and very beautiful and vivid, yeah. Pen, ear tag, stainless steel, yeah, some ornaments. You can think about this material, this model. Okay, please look at the main features of our 108. 108 is small and portable, economical, flexible, and diversified. It is also very cost effective. Yes, for smaller model, the weight is lighter. So if you are concerned about the shipment fee, you can think about this model. It is smaller and lighter. Yeah. 108 is more integrated, compact, and firm. Although it's more compacted, you don't worry about the performance. The machine also has a higher stable performance. Besides, the laser parts and column can also be flexible, disassembled and stored, and the working position can be arranged as wheel. Okay, you can look at the details of our machine, our 108. Adopts double red metal galvanometer. It's also without maintenance, but with high stability. The working table is integrated design. All of the control card or power supply and so forth are integrated under the working table, beneath the working table. So this machine is lighter. Although this machine is more integrated, and it can also have a stable performance. Okay, please look at the lifting system. I think this lifting system is more beautiful and vivid, yeah, and so cute, yeah. This lifting system is manual rotary docking controlled. It's very simple and beautiful design, easy to operate. You can also look at the laser source. As I told you, our machine can use different laser sources like Max, Rakers, IPG, JPT. You can tell our salesman about your requirement, then they will help you to find the right source, right choice. For this model 108, it is more compacted. It can use max laser source. You can tell our salesman your requirements. Maybe they will tell you how many watts you need for our machine. Okay. You can look at the light rod and column. The column is very flexible, and the net rod or the laser pass is also flexible. In this way, it can realize flexible marking position. Our machine is installed professional marking software. It can support Windows system. The control software is powerful, supports various marking formats. You can just input your formats, your profiles that you want to mark. Our machine can support various marking softwares formats. Okay, please look at the technical data of our machine, our 108. You see, for this machine, the power was choices are limited. Maybe 19 watts or 25 watts. 19 watts is nearly 20 watts, so we can provide you 20 watts. And the marking areas is our for the standard marking area is 110 millimeters by 110 millimeters. We can also provide you optional choice like 115 millimeter by 100. Then they will help you make the right choice about the marking area. The electronic marking speed. Our machine, our 108, has a very fast speed, but the speed is lower than our 400B or 400D. The marking depth is less than 1 millimeter. So if you want to mark on some metal materials with deep depth, you can think about our Dr. P marking machine. Okay. You can look at the parameters. I don't give you more examples about. I give you more details about all the parameters because we have many machines to be mentioned in this lecture. Okay, let's move to next model. Our PDB 116. Maybe this model is similar to our 400H. Yes, this model is also portable model, but this model is more smaller and lighter. So if you want to mark on some heavy material, you can think about this model. And you don't want to have a very larger model, you also can think about this model. You can mark on materials on the table or some big material like big tubes, big sheets. You can think about this model. Okay, please look at the matrix structure of our 116. We looked at our. Please look at the main structure of our 130. Okay, there's also an emergency stop button. So if you meet or encounter some emergency situation, you can press this button and our machine will stop immediately. There are also some USB ports on our machine on the control box. If you have some larger profile to be marked, you can plug in your USB in the USB port, then transmit your files to be marked. You see, the marking head is portable, so you can take this handheld marking head and to mark on some big and heavy material. This model has a smaller LCD controller. LCD controller box. If you have some information to be texted, you can type in your words or your locals that you want to mark on this LCD control screen. Okay, please look at the working video of our machine. You can operate on this LCD screen. Okay, that's the end of the video. You can see the application of our 160. This machine can mark on all of these materials and some on hard plastic. It's very suitable for marking on various production materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, iron, aluminum, zinc, copper, brass, etc., as well as curved objects, white plastic, etc. Okay, you can look at the samples being tested by our 100A. All the samples are very beautiful and vivid. I want to have same marking for the ornaments. I like all of these ornaments being marked, and I think it's good memory to share all of these beautiful and unique ornaments with your friends or your families. Yes, I think if you can mark if you can mark some of these beautiful and vivid, unique ornaments to your friends or families, they will feel so happy. Yeah. Okay, let's move on the machine in the introduction. This model, this 160 is our new model, new generation of portable handheld laser marking machine. This machine uses programmable devices and high speed and high precision DA integrated circuits. The laser processing and precision are accurate and fast. All optical cooling isolation technology is applied in this machine. The whole system has lower power consumption, good stability, and strong performance. This machine is specially designed for marking on many kinds of metal products and some hard plastic products. Hello, I can see some new clients. Hello, friends. If you are interested in our machine, you can send your inquiries. and our salesman will give you reply after look at your messages, and after the live show I also look at your inquiry and give you feedback immediately. You can also look at the main features of our machine. This machine has highly heartless engineering grade plastic machine body. In this way, it can ensure that the body will not be easily exposed to water and dust in various production environments. I think this is very good. This is very important for a long-term using of this machine. Our machine is also integrated with small and compact appearance. It uses a two-dimensional magnetic levitation galvanometer laser scanning head, which is small in size, faster in speed, and accurate in positioning. The laser source has a long-term service life, and it is also maintenance-free. So after you receive this machine, you can use this machine directly with a very long time without any future costs, as it is maintenance-free. It without any consumables for this machine. This machine has high sensitivity touchscreen, intelligent red light positioning, powerful system function, high efficiency, high speed, and stability. Okay, please look at the product details of this machine. This machine has high transmission coated field lenses. It can widely expand the field of view and print large area. As I told you, this machine has integrated LCD screen. It is our self-developed smart operating system. It is also self-developed LCD screen. It can be operated on the screen. It's very intelligent. Yeah. This monkey head is very portable and is portable and handheld. The standard working areas is 15 millimeters by 50 millimeters. We can also customize your demands. We have optional choice for the marking height, marking area 100 by 100. You can tell our salesmen your requirements, and we will help you to make the right choice. This machine is also very easy to operate. You can see the button. You can press one button to start machine. It's very easy and quick to start. Okay, you can look at the LCD screen. The software has been installed well, so it is also ready machine. After you receive this machine, you can operate on the screen. For simple operation, suitable for people of different ages. Yes. it is ready machine, so you don't worry about how to install this machine. You can use it directly when you receive this machine. Meanwhile, you can also watch the working video of a machine after you receive this machine. This machine only has one key marking. So when you receive this machine, it's very easy to operate, easy to use this machine. Please look at the parameters of our machine. This machine is model. This machine, the model name for this machine is PDB160. The laser pipe is fabricated. You can tell salesman your requirements, and they will help you to find the right choices among all of these machines I mentioned in this slideshow. The main control board for this machine is a highly integrated main board with 7 inches screen. It is very small but very functional. Yeah. This machine is also air cooling, so you don't worry about how to cool this machine. You just use it and put in your workshop. Yeah. When the temperature is high, the air can take away the heat, and your machine will be cooled down. Yeah. Okay. You can look at the parameters of our machine. I think some clients choose this machine because this machine is very light. Yes, it is only 6 kilograms. Very light for users. Yeah, especially for some users to mark on some heavy material for a long time. So 6 kilograms is very light. You can take this handle to mark on different materials very easily. Okay. Before I told you, for our fiber laser marking machine, the warranty time is 1 year, but in this live show we can give you 2 years. But for our 160, we can provide you 24 months for whole machine, 63 months for fiber laser source. So this machine have a longer time warranty. Yeah. I think this is very important for you. Yeah. Because most of you want to have a longer warranty time. Yeah. Okay. Let's move to another model, PDB600. Okay, please look at the working video of this machine. You may find that this machine can be equipped with a conveyor belt. Yes, if you want to realize mass production, you can think about this model. And this model can be worked with conveyor belts. In this way, it can have a higher speed of marking. Yeah. Oh yes, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, pen. Yeah. If you want to mark on pens, you can also think about this model. Okay, please look at the samples tested by our machine. Here, tags, switches, numbers, days, yeah, or some two-dimension codes. Yeah. The important part for our machine is the fiber laser source. As I told you before, Our machine can be installed with Macs, Rakers, IBG, JPG, and so forth. You can tell our salesman about the requirement, and then they will help you to make the right choice. For this model, it also has LCD touch screen, so you can operate on this screen to start marking, and all of these softwares have been installed well when you receive this machine. It is also a ready machine. Okay, for some clients they don't want to have so many problems while install the software, and also want to realize mass production. They can think about this model. Okay. You can look at the laser beam bridge. This laser bridge has high rate of electrical optical conversion without any power coupling losses. You can save operating costs. This machine can be used over 100,000 hours, so it can be used over 8 to 10 years without any consumables. Yeah, I think it's very important for clients. Yeah. This machine also have lifting handle design. You can twist the lifting handle to help you find the right position about where to start marking. Okay, you can also look at the meter counter. This meter counter is very important to realize mass production. Yeah, it's special lit for cable pipe production line. It can count the distance between each marking. Yeah. There are also rolling wheels for this machine. In this way, you can easily push this machine to different places. This rolling wheel use universal wheel design. You can move the machine to any location and lock the machine in any place easily. It's very easy to operate. Yes. Okay. You can see the optional item for this machine. The conveyor belts. You see, for this machine we have different conveyor belts. You can choose your conveyor belt according to your requirements. Okay. Maybe this is end for our live show. Thank you very much for your watching and your time with us. If you have any problems, you can send your problems to our salesman. Besides, if you want to purchase some machine, you can also send your queries to our salesman, and they will talk with you immediately. After watching this live show, I think you may have a better understanding of our machine as well as our company. If you like our machine, please feel free to call us or chat online. Yeah. Also, welcome to visit our website and see more videos and introductions about our products. If you want to watch our live show, please remember to subscribe our channel by clicking the follow button, so you will not miss all our live show next time. Yes. Okay. See you. Bye.